Alright, here's a brief video of my 1999 Acer AGF-1020AHD 3-axis auto surface grinder. Machine is in storage here in the Los Angeles area, unfortunately not under power. Came from a Boeing facility in Kansas. Show the sticker right here. It was a pretty recent acquisition by Boeing, the whole company was. And then this division of Boeing closed. This machine was running when it was removed from the plant in Wellington, Kansas, which is just south of Wichita. I visited the plant myself before I bought this machine a couple of years ago. Anyhow, decent machine, if not better. It does have a permanent magnetic chuck. It has the over-the-wheel dresser, and then it also has an optional fine feed on the vertical, as you can see there from the knob with the smaller, with the, what is that, 10,000th of an inch increments. Machine comes with a manual. I'll show you that in a second. There's the control. There's a wheel balancer. Small tool kit came along with the machine as well, just with some real odds and ends in there. And there are the covers. I think there are 3 or 4 of them for the front and back of the machine. Got the work light that's kind of hanging off at an on angle, as well as the hydraulic system and also the coolant pump. That's right there. You can see the ends are tied off there. Control side. Again, a manual. Fortunately, machine's up against the wall, so I can't walk all the way around it. But hopefully this will give you a good idea. Everything is complete. See if I can crank the wheel up a bit. Very smooth action on the vertical. Goes the cross feed. Also very smooth. And then finally the table. And that's just the wood. Sorry, just trying to do this one-handed, so it's a little awkward. Pretty smooth and horizontal as well. The hand wheel does need to be tightened down, and same could be said for the cross feed. I just don't have the tools to do it. And again, the vertical feed. So hopefully that gives you a good idea, or at least a basic idea, of the condition of the machine. Thanks.